Hello everybody, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another subscription from BohemStyle. In case you're interested in this box, I will leave a link for it down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to leave individual links to the materials I get in this box in case you just want a few things, maybe a few beads, charms, whatever, and not the whole box. Alright, so let's go ahead, open this up. You'll see all the links down there like I said. And again, in case you're new to this cord that they use to wrap the box with is jewelry grade, so you can use this to make jewelry. It's a really good quality waxed cotton cord. Alright, I think it's waxed. So in here is a piece of paper that has a link to a video tutorial showing you how to put together the necklace and bracelet, or necklace and earrings is what we usually get in this box. Sometimes it'll be an extravagant necklace with a matching pair of earrings, or two really awesome necklace and bracelets. So this box, I've been subscribed to it for years now, and I love it so much. So far this year, we're now going into July, every box that I've got this year has been really awesome. The designer, whoever is designing this box, is doing a really great job. I've been very happy with all of the designs. Alright, so, oh my gosh, I love that. That is so pretty. So right here is a baggie that has beach ring wire in it, and it's in gold or bronze. And I forgot to take my bracelets off. Every time I wear bracelets, they bang on my glass tabletop. This is a heart charm, and wow, I think this might be solid. What? Oh my gosh, we're gonna have more Picassos. Sometimes they do Picasso projects. There's been several times where I've had Picasso beads in this box where the whole necklace was all Picasso, either like all turquoise Picasso or other colors. I've really enjoyed it. So this heart here, I thought it was gonna be hollow, but it is solid. Look at that. It's really neat how it's made. It looks like there's actually a heart suspended inside of another heart, but it's just soldered right there. From a distance, it kind of looks like it's floating inside. So that's awesome. I love that. Okay, so that'll be our pendant, looks like. And we have little charms. Oh, these are connectors. I thought they were charms. Look at these. These are so cool. These also appear to be solid. I love stuff like this. These are cute. And they match this perfectly. I've never seen these charms or connectors or pendants here, so I wonder if they're new in their store, because I've really been all over that website. And these lentils, I love these. I think I've got these before. I don't remember if I got them in a subscription box and I made something with them. I don't remember. I'll have to look through my pictures. But I love them. They are so pretty. The orange Picasso is really gorgeous. I rarely see that color. It's kind of rare. Look at how pretty it is. That one. This one's also pretty. I think that's yellow. This is another rare one. I rarely see yellow or orange. And that one's chartreuse. The chartreuse is awesome too. So I love those. So cute. Didn't I make a necklace with lentils? Or is it leaf beads? All stitched together. I don't know. I've made so many things, I'm starting to lose track. These are awesome. I just recently saw these. I think that I got them on a strand. And it's kind of like a lentil, but it's square. Hole is in the middle, on the side in the middle. They're really neat. You know you could put these on jump rings, right? But it has to be a thin gauge. Like a 24 millimeter. That's so cool. Love those. And it looks like we're going to have all Picasso beads. These look like 2 millimeter brass rounds. Come on, focus camera. They're so tiny. They actually look like crimp beads. I'm going to leave this bag closed because I'm afraid I will lose those. And you can pretty much see what they are inside. Oh, these are really nice. I think this is a type of pinch bead. But instead of having 3 sides, it has 2. So it's pinched like this. See? Pinched there. Pinched here across from itself. And are these ruby Picasso? No, I thought they were. They almost look like the ruby Picasso. So ruby Picasso, in case you didn't know, is actually a transparent red. Dark red, like blood red. Kind of like garnet. I have ruby Picassos in 6OC beads in my stash and 8 millimeter Druks. They are gorgeous. Those are really nice. But those are opaque. Okay. And, oh, I love these. Man, I wonder what these are called. So this is a Rondelle. But the color is very unique. It's transparent. Oh, it's green. It's olivine green with, I think, beige. You gotta put it up to the light though, because it's really hard to see it if you don't. Yes, it's definitely olivine green with beige. Two-tone, and then it has Picasso over it. And it has really gorgeous Picasso, because do you see how it's bluish green? It's like a turquoisey. And then there's purple. When it's purple, that's like the prettiest Picasso to me. It is. It's my favorite. And I don't see it all the time. Okay, I love those. I would like to reorder those. Gorgeous rondelles. And we have jump rings. These are 8 millimeter. And are these 18 gauge? Let me just get a couple out. I think they're 20. But those are nice. Okay. And then more heart charms. So cute. Those connectors are really cool. I love the connectors that have a gemstone in the middle. Or glass. Facet glass. Okay. So these are also solid. They're heavy. Double-sided. Okay. And we have eye pins. And then we have filigrees. I don't think I've got filigrees in this box before. These are like 10 millimeter brass. Antique brass. They are gorgeous. I like those. I like vintage looking pieces, so I think it's going to be pretty cool. And here they are again in 6 millimeter. I didn't take them all out. There's a bunch in here. But they're very gorgeous. Okay. And what is this? This is gorgeous. I almost thought it was a miracle bead, but I guess it's a Druk. Wow, it's really, really pretty. I'm trying to figure out what the bead color is. I know there's gold all over it, but it's almost like a very pale marble pink. Let's see here in this one. There is a, they do this where they have like a white bead and they put a marble over it. I have a marble purple and pink in my stash, but then it looks like they put gold over this. It is really gorgeous. It's so glowy that I actually thought it was miracle beads, but it's not. They are Czech Druks. These are gorgeous. Love those. I think I'll have to put these in my cart too for my next purchase. They are really nice. I've never seen these before either on their site. And I've looked probably at all their Druks because I bought a lot of their Druks. We have red Picasso 8mm Druks. Gorgeous. Come on, focus. See, that's that turquoise I was talking about. When you get a really nice Picasso, you'll see turquoise and purple in it. See how there's a lot of green there? I see green all the time, right? But you want that pretty turquoisey purple. That one has some purple on it. They are gorgeous. Okay, and then eye pins. And then we have, man, this is going to be an awesome box. We have what looks like curb chain. Yes, it's a really nice quality one too. It's thick. Well, when you see a thinner curb chain, that's more for extender chain. But this one here, do you see how it's chunky? This is great for necklaces and bracelets. So this is pretty long. Maybe 12 inches? Yeah, I would say it's maybe 12 inches. This might be for the back of the necklace because this company, whoever designs for this box is like me. When they make necklaces, they like to have a chain in the back and then all of the you know, stuff going on the front. They do it the other way sometimes, but we seem to have similar taste. And then we have crimp beads. And these are the tiniest crimp beads I've ever seen. They are like the size of 15 seed beads. And I would actually like to buy these and add them to my stash because they're really good quality. I've used them a few times already in this box. I've bought their copper crimp beads. They're thick walled and they are nice quality. But these are so teeny tiny. I have a lot of extra small, like fine bead string wire in my stash. I would like to go buy these because look at them. They have thick walls. They are nice. But they are crimp beads, so you have to flatten them. You can't really crimp them. They're so teeny. Oh my gosh, it just keeps getting better. Wow, I love those. I have never seen a disc that big in Picasso. Okay, we have big jump rings here. They're open. Maybe 14, 16mm. Thick gauge. 16 gauge maybe? Those are nice. Okay, and then we have some more gorgeous Druks. They're so pretty. These are matte, and I'm wondering if they're aged. They might be aged Picasso. Those are gorgeous. Oh, I got 3 orange ones. I looked out this time. They are beautiful. Really nice. I love these discs. Look at that. Those are so cool. You know I make flowers with these, right? I've made flowers with the 6mm Czech discs and 8. I'll put pictures up. I've also used shell disc beads because they're like more plentiful than the Czech ones. I find I come across those easier at thrift stores. Those are totally awesome. I wonder, I gotta put these in my shopping cart. I wonder how many come in a pack. Those are really cool. You know, this is like the size of a ripple bead. I wonder if it's 12mm. They're pretty large. That's an 8mm, right? Look how much bigger that is. Okay, we have more filigree beads. These are 8mm. Oh, the stuff is inside the bag. I'm like, it is not coming off. Are these brighter? I swear these look a little brighter. Lighter, I mean. Yeah, they are, aren't they? These are a little darker. These are lighter. Very nice. Okay. And then we have, oh, what is that going to be? Jump rings, 6mm. And 2 lobster claw clasps, so it's going to be a necklace and a bracelet. And these, oh my gosh. Are these glass? Yeah, these are bugle beads. I have never seen this color before. These are so cool. I gotta put these in my cart too. I gotta figure out what these are called. I've never seen a color like this. It's kind of like some kind of a fancy Picasso. It's so tiny, I really don't want to spill it or lose any, but I gotta take it out because it is so bizarre looking. Come on, come on. Look at this color. That is so cool. It must be some kind of an aged Picasso or something. I want my camera to focus on it. Those are really neat. I love those. This is really awesome. I will leave a link for this box down there below in the description bar. And I'm also going to leave individual links to materials you see here in case you just want to buy, you know, some of these amazing beads. The glow on these are incredible. I can't believe how glowy it is. It really does look like a miracle bead to me. Alright? And remember, I will put this together and I'm going to have a completed picture of what this looks like at the beginning and end of the video. In case you want to see what this whole project will look like, look at the picture at the beginning and the picture at the end. Alright? So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the box opening. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.